to check this out, so I went on YouTube he goes, just Google some of your songs from YouTube. And I thought, okay, because I didn't think to do that in my 15 years before I knew that Cinnamon was all grown up and everything. And I saw this little song, and there was like a lot of cute girls that had done like their own YouTube video of it, playing a guitar, singing it. And when I looked at the one I sang, he says, check out how many times it's been viewed, right? So I look at the little counter, it's like 1.3 million. I'm like, wow, that many times this song, people watch and listen to this song. So that was like 4 years ago. It's probably way over 2 now because of you guys loving these songs. So I'm gonna sing this one. Track 3, there we go. I feel like this is my PowerPoint. Sailor Moon's PowerPoint. Now we're gonna be on track 3. What? I need my pointer. Deep in my soul, a love so strong, it takes control. You guys know it. Now we all know the secrets buried, the feelings show. Driven far apart, I make a wish on a shooting star. There will come a day, somewhere far away, in your arms I'll stay, my only love. Even though you're gone, the love will still live on. The feelings are so strong, my only love, my only love. Anybody ever had a broken heart listening to this song? Right? It's like it's a heartbreaker kind of song, right? You can go both ways. When you're in love or you lost that love, right? There will come a day, somewhere far away, in your arms I'll stay, my only love. You've reached the deepest parts of the secret in my heart. I've known it from the start, my only love. Now there will come a day, somewhere far away, in your arms I'll stay, my only love. You've reached the deepest parts of the secrets in my heart. I've known it from the start.